what's up about the Logan AI NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we will take a look on COURSIV.io. So if you're new on the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and let me clear that this video is only for educational purposes. So it's your responsibility to verify each and everything. So we will study that, and we will visit all the information, what kind of potential this platform has, because there are plenty of benefits are available under a single platform, and you can jump in early, and how basically it works, how you can sign in. So each and everything is very important, because in 2025 AI has changed the entire world. So that's why it's very important to understand which platform is perfect for you, whether you are a trader, whether you are working in any sort of field in your life. So AI can make a big difference in 2025. So we will study all the detail. Please don't miss any part of the platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works. So let's check it out. Okay guys, you can see here all the details here, and I'm sure you will be able to get more information if you scroll down a bit. So each and everything is there, and you can study all the information, and hope so you briefly understand about that. Start your AI journey with COURSIV today, and how basically you can start with. So just click on that, and you can see here confirm your age. Next you can easily go further, right? It's so simple and so easy. Next you can more than 70% people join COURSIV, and you can click on continue. And next you can select your age also, and for what reason you want to select this, and for financial I select this. And next you can do your overhead with AI, so it's up to you sometime. So I will click sometime, and compatible AI tools. So you can see here I suggest sometime. And next you can see, are you paid for the behind the AI trend? So it's been some time. So next you will continue that. Okay, so you can easily register yourself. And do you think that it's hard to learn? Yes, but still want to learn more. So we'll select that. And do you think you need to know programming to learn AI? Yes, of course. And next you can see here, rate your knowledge and expert. So next you can see, have you ever used ChatGPT? So you can see here if you use ChatGPT on daily basis. So what AI tools you are already familiar, so you can select one of them. So it's up to you. So you can see Google Gemini, and next you can click the next step. Are you afraid of being replaced by AI? So yes, sometime you can say that. And next you can continue on here, and what income range, science to current career goals, so you can select here. And after that, are you confident how skill could be impact your career? Yes, I heard that. And next you can see, are you comfortable to learning new skills and new techniques? Yes. And next you can see, what field would you personally like to yourself? So you can see here what kind of field you want to select for digital marketing. So let's see. And next you can see here, you can click on that and rate your to AI master. So all set. And next do you find easy maintenance for focus? Yes. And next it's done, guys. So here's your experience profile, and next you can easily start with. Next you can, is there something special you wish to achieve? So maybe you can achieve car, or maybe if you don't have home, so select that I want home. And how much time you ready to spend achieve the goal in a day? So 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I will select 20 minutes in a day. So you can see here, I click on continue, and that's it. So you can see here more than 7 lakh plus people have chosen COURSIV AI. So it's quite amazing, guys. It's a great achievement, because sign of trust. So you can see here, you will post your email here, and here we go. You can post your email, and after that you will continue on that. It's done. So you can easily go. So you can enter your name here, guys, and after that you can move forward. I will post my name, 𝐁𝐄𝐋. So here we go, and after that I will show you guys. Just click on that and it's confirmed. You can see here, scratch save on your 28-day AI challenge. So here it is. So these are the details I provide you, and hope so you briefly understand how basically it works. It's so simple and so easy to do that. So you can easily start your journey with COURSIV AI. Okay. So this was the detail, but once again I'm telling you that it's very important, guys, to understand each and everything, because this video is only for educational purposes, and it's up to you if you want to jump in early, if you want to join this course. So there are trial base also, and after that next you can pay for the course also. So all things are there. So I will post all the links in description, and hope so when you visit that you will be able to get more detail regarding COURSIV AI. So these are the details which is very important to share with you. So I share all the information, all the detail, how basically you can increase your income, increase your potential, increase your knowledge by joining this COURSIV AI. And you can see there are plenty of platforms are there, multiple tools are there. Then you can see here all skills for business growth, for boost your productivity, save your time, advance career, and join the challenges, and you can easily start with. So I provide you all the details, guys, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail. And once again I'm telling you that this video is only for educational purposes, guys. If you have any question and query, please don't miss to join their links, because it's very important. You can join their community also. When you join their community, you will become the member of their community, and you will be able to get more detail regarding COURSIV AI. And you have to study all the detail on social media like YouTube, like Twitter, and the people who are using COURSIV AI already, so you can get their opinion also, and what they think about COURSIV AI, whether it's legend or not. So it's very important. So don't jump at the same time after watching this video. So this is not a fair way, but you have to wait and you have to study that, and after that if you think it's quite amazing for you and you can get massive benefits and massive features via COURSIV AI, so you can join that, you can buy the course, and you can start your proceeding, and you can learn the skills, and that will be useful for future and for your business and for your marketing strategy, so each and everything. So hope so you briefly understand. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.